Xiamen Kasrow Group has 3 factories. One is manufacturing cash drawers, POS system, POS mounts, stands, more than 11 years. One is manufacturing accessories, 15 years. And a stamping factory, specialized in hardware, with total assets of $6 million and factory area of 13,645 square meters. Kasrow Group is located in Jimei, Hoxi Industrial Area, Xiamen City of China, with a complete set of factory equipment, advanced production line, and orderly workshop environment, with convenient delivery conditions. 15 kilometers from Xiamen Gaoqi International Airport and 10 kilometers from Xiamen Port. Kasrow devotes to manufacturing a variety of cash drawers for cash register and other POS-related products. Kasrow has export to over worldwide 50 countries, served thousands of customers at home and abroad. Over years of experience, Kasrow has built an impressive reputation as a professional designer and manufacturer of the most durable and dependable cash drawers in the industry. CE, ROS, ISO 9001 certificate approved, and we attend 3 to 4 famous exhibitions worldwide per year. Currently, our company has 9 groups and more than 30 assortment products. Our products will be the most reliable component in your workstation. Kasrow's mission: providing high-quality cash drawer and super service, help customers improve reputation, and enhance brand value.